Welcome. This lecture topic is about using content marketing for lead generation and nurturing Part 1. In this lecture, we will be discussing how to use content marketing to generate and nurture leads in the customer journey. First, let's define lead generation and nurturing and explain their role in content marketing. Lead generation refers to the process of attracting and converting strangers and prospects into someone who has indicated an interest in your company's product or service. Nurturing refers to the process of building relationships with leads and guiding them through the customer journey until they are ready to purchase. Lead generation and nurturing are crucial components of a content marketing strategy as they help to build relationships and convert leads into customers. Now, let's introduce the concept of the customer journey and how lead generation and nurturing fit into it. The customer journey refers to the series of steps that a customer goes through when considering a purchase, from awareness of a need or problem to the evaluation of options to the final decision to buy. Lead generation and nurturing play a role in the consideration and decision stages of the customer journey, as they help to provide the right information and support to leads during the consideration and decision stages. During the consideration stage, leads are actively searching for solutions to their needs or problems and evaluating different options. Lead generation plays a role in this stage by attracting and capturing the attention of leads through targeted content and communication. This may involve creating high-quality, relevant, and valuable content that addresses the needs and interests of the target audience, and using forms, landing pages, and lead magnets to capture leads. Once leads have been captured, nurturing helps to guide them through the decision stage by providing targeted and personalized content and communication. This may involve using automation tools to deliver the right content at the right time, and using lead scoring and grading to prioritize leads based on their level of engagement and readiness to buy. By providing the right information and support to leads during the consideration and decision stages of the customer journey, lead generation and nurturing can help to convert leads into customers and drive business growth. So, how do you identify the target audience for lead generation and nurturing? It is important to research and segment the target audience, considering their needs, pain points, and interests. This helps to ensure that the content you create is relevant and valuable to the audience and more likely to generate and nurture leads. It is also important to align lead generation and nurturing efforts with the overall target audience for the content marketing campaign. Once you have identified the target audience, it is important to develop a clear strategy for lead generation and nurturing. This involves identifying the goals and objectives for lead generation and nurturing and creating a plan to achieve them. Personas and customer profiles can be helpful in understanding the needs and motivations of the target audience and in developing a strategy that resonates with them. Now we'll be discussing how to create content for lead generation and nurturing. This is an essential step in executing a successful content marketing campaign. There are several different types of content that can be used for lead generation and nurturing, including blog posts, ebooks, webinars, and email campaigns. Let's start with blog posts. Blog posts can be a highly effective way to attract and capture leads through targeted keywords and topics. By creating high-quality, relevant, and valuable blog posts, you can establish yourself as a thought leader and build trust and credibility with leads. Next up, we have ebooks. Ebooks can be an effective way to capture leads and provide valuable information to your target audience. By offering an ebook in exchange for a lead's contact information, you can provide valuable insights that can help guide the lead through the customer journey. Another great option is webinars. They can provide valuable information to your target audience and capture leads at the same time. By offering a webinar in exchange for a lead's contact information, You can educate and inform the lead and capture valuable leads. And finally, email campaigns. Email campaigns can be an effective way to nurture leads and guide them through the customer journey. By creating targeted and personalized email campaigns, you can provide valuable information and support to leads and help convert them into customers. In addition to using different types of content for lead generation and nurturing, it is also important to incorporate storytelling and emotional appeal. This can help to build connections and create a sense of value for the lead, which can be important in converting leads into customers.